So friends, if you are using Union Bank of India's Vyom application and if you want to know how to add a beneficiary in Vyom app, then this video is for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Vyom application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Once the login process is complete, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. You can check out deposit over here. If you want to check out balance and all, you can tap on this I option. Now, in order to add beneficiary account, all you have to do is you just have to go down, and once you get transaction option or transact option over here, tap on fund transfer. Now on this particular page, it will show you some basic options like pay transfer, quick transfer and self transfer. Now in order to add a new beneficiary account, you have to select manage payee option over here, which is at the bottom. Select manage payee, and on the next page, again it will show you some options like Union Bank of India, other bank, MMID or UPI ID or number. So the account which you are going to add is in Union Bank of India, then you can select Union Bank of India. But if you're adding some other account, like if you're adding bank account from SBI or ICICI or HDFC, select other bank over here and then enter the pay details. So you need to enter the name. You can add a nickname, that is optional. You need to enter account number over here, and later on make sure you enter the correct IFSC code, select the account type and then select proceed option. So I'm going to fill up the details very quickly. So now I have entered all the account details over here. Let's select proceed option. After that, you will get a pop-up screen like this. You need to confirm all the details and again select confirm option. Now to complete the process of adding beneficiary account, you need to enter transaction pin over here, and once you enter transaction pin, select submit option. So I have entered the transaction pin. Let's select submit. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So enter the OTP over here and again select submit option. So I have entered the OTP. Let's select submit, and now you can see we have successfully added beneficiary account. Now to check your beneficiary account, all you can do is just simply go to home, again go to that transact option. Now over here select fund transfer option. Now on the next page, if you tap on this box, you will be able to check out the list of beneficiary account which you have added. Now sometimes it may take time to add or to show the newly added beneficiary account. So in that case, you can just simply tap on this refresh icon and you can choose the beneficiary whichever you want. So yeah, that's how simple it is to add beneficiary in Vyom application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.